Mr. Rahul Gandhi has tweeted yesterday, the hijab issue in Mangalore is nothing but depriving the women of the Muslim community from the education is the issue.
I agree with that. See, we agree, and it is the government's anti-constitutional decision makes all these problems. You see, whenever a government comes in India and a state, if the government runs according to the constitution given by Ambedkar, there is no problem at all. When they go against the B.R. Ambedkar constitution and try to run this country, the problems are throughout the world, throughout India. Today you see national level also they are against Ambedkar's constitution. In the state also they are against constitution. See, all the problem starts because of this throughout the country, and no people are happy.
So what is your stand on the hijab? How are you going to resolve it? Because the problem, the thing is about solution. They are blowing out of proportion as an election agenda.
Whatever constitutional right is there, that right should be given by the government. One. Main. No one should be deprived of the constitutional right which has been given. Number two, every government should have intention of giving education, not depriving the education by stopping the students entering the college. Nowhere it will be like depriving the education. All should encourage education, especially girls' education should be more and more encouraged. Education is primary important. No thing should come as a hindrance to the education, especially women education. Regarding this issue, see, Udupi issue is a different issue. We don't know in the backside what was there, whether it was allowed before, rules was there. We never knew. But the issue started there. Out of 85 children, 79 students, they thought education is important, they were attending the class. 6 students, for them it was beyond a fundamental right is important, secular education, they were having this demand. When the issue comes between a constitutional right and the college rules, when the via media is not solved, actually a via media should have been done by the management, parents and our teaching staff. When that was taken personally with not interest of solving it, but having a political motive, it was not possible. Then it went to court. Now the court will decide. The issue in Kundapur is different. See, the issue in Kundapur is different. Kundapur, Bandakars College, from long time, whenever the college started, they were allowed to wear. There is no problem at all. And suddenly after the Udupi incident, 5 people or 6 people go and tell, if they allow them with the headscarf or covering the head to the campus, we will we'll wear kesari shawl and we'll agitate. The duty of the principal, duty of the district administration and the police was to tackle that anti-social elements.
छोटे छोटे बच्चे केसरी शाल पहन के आ रहे हैं जिनको कुछ भी नहीं पता है.
That's what it was a duty of the principal to tell. It was from long time they are wearing. You can't stop now. But there, instead of warning and instead of telling the students, the principal is stopping this student from swimming.
क्या प्रिंसिपल को सस्पेंड करना है क्या सर?
कादर साहब के मूव्स आए,
क्या प्रिंसिपल को सस्पेंड करना है क्या? वो इसके तरफ से
enquiry करना. See, I have told the DC immediately, put an enquiry how the police and what is the duty of the inspector, what he has police department suggested the principal regarding Kundapur. But today evening he has called a meeting. I am regularly in touch with the principal. Today evening he has called the meeting of parents and children to decide, and no outside will be involved. I don't know.